Good day, everyone. So, welcome back to our YouTube channel, Romantic Professor here. So, for today, we are going to continue our series or episode here in the Beginner's Guide for Microsoft Word. So, for today, I will be teaching you on how to change the font style, the font size, the font color, and how to bold, italize, and underline the text. Okay, so to begin with our tutorial for today, let me create first a sentence. So let's say, for example, today, this is romantic professor. So this is the text that we want to change its font style, font, font size, and the font color. Okay. So first, in order for us to change the font style, we need to highlight the text that we want to change the font style. So let's say, for example, we want to change the font style of all the text here. So you need to highlight it first, and then after that, you need to go to Home tab here, and then after that, you need to go under font category here or the font group, and then after that, choose this. uh, we can pick a new font for our text. So let's say here we have different options to use. So this one, okay, as you can see, every time I choose a different font style, my text also changing. Okay, so let's say we are going to use this. By the way, again, you need to highlight the text. If you didn't highlight that, even though you are going to change different font style, it will not change because there is no highlighted text for us to change the font style. You need to highlight. The same with, okay, the same with if we want to change the font size. So at the right side of the font style is the font size. So we can change the size of our text. We can also do the shortcut by clicking Control Shift plus P, or we can choose this. Okay, let's say for example we want to make it larger, okay, and even more larger, like this, okay, like that. So this is how we change the font size. Now let's change now the font color. Let's say we only want to change the romantic professor text. We don't want to change the other color. So we are going to highlight the text romantic professor only. And then click this one. So we have different option for font color. So let's say we want to change it into red. So we can do it. So this is now the font color. Okay? Make sure you highlight it. Now, let's say we want to bold it. Okay, let's bold it like this. Okay, how are we going to bold it? It is below the font style. So click bold. Okay, it will automatically being bold. Let's say we want it to be in italicized form. So we can italize it as well. Italize your text by clicking it. Okay, how about if we want to underline it? Again, highlight it and then click the underline. So that is how you can change the font style, the font size, the font color, and even how are you going to bold, italize, and underline your text in Microsoft Word. So that's it for today's episode. Hope you understand our tutorial and see you on our next episode. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel.